2020 Toyota Avalon Review, the pros and the cons. While examining the best full-size cars under $50,000, make certain to refer to the 2020 Toyota Avalon. A beginning MSRP of $35,800 makes it a solid worth. You will value the Avalon's much padded ride and solid safety scores. In spite of the fact that this vehicle may not be known for being enthusiastic about execution, a number of people are wonderfully astonished by its capacity. Let's find out if the 2020 Toyota Avalon is right for you. What's novel for 2020? This year, not much has changed, whereas Toyota has added another TRD trim to the lineup. This aggressive-looking trim is intended to offer a sportier driving experience. Topmost reasons to buy a 2020 Toyota Avalon. The pros. Efficient powertrain. In the engine of the new 2020 Toyota Avalon rests a solid V6 motor, which is likewise offered on the new Toyota Camry. It's tuned to kick out somewhat in excess of 300 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed programmed gearbox causes the Avalon to easily find a workable pace. With the tried 0 to 60 mph run of 6.0 seconds, the Avalon is certainly quick enough to engage most riders. Good mileage on gas. Usually, large sedans force drivers to compromise on fuel economy. Luckily, that is not the situation for the 2020 Toyota Avalon. This vehicle is an effective alternative for families who will in general invest a great deal of time on the road. It's evaluated by the national government to restore an expected 22 mpg in town and 32 mpg on the freeway. Moreover, you can feed the engine normal gas rather than Premier Unleaded. The all-new TRD model. Previously, the Toyota Avalon didn't have some fun factor, whereas you will appreciate the driving of the most recent generation. Driving fans will particularly like the all-new TRD trim. While it comes standard with the equivalent powertrain, it profits by a couple of extra execution treats. A lower TRD suspension and overhauled execution tires helps improve the Avalon's handling abilities. There is likewise no negligence towards the Avalon TRD's increasingly aggressive exterior styling, which is featured by 19-inch black alloy wheels and a sporty mesh grille. Advanced parking system. For some drivers, parking is one of their least favorite assignments. While the new Toyota Avalon doesn't offer a robotized parking system, it offers an energetically suggest advanced safety bundle. When attempting to move in a busy area, you will extraordinarily value the improved visibility of the Avalon's optional 360-degree camera system. Meanwhile, a reverse automated braking gives you greater security when pulling out of parking spaces. Rear parking sensors are included in the package as well. Pro-efficient base model equipment. On the off chance that you would prefer not to go through any additional cash, so in this scenario, consider getting the base 2020 Toyota Avalon XLE. An amazing number of standard features makes it a fair value for the money. Apple CarPlay now comes as standard, which is a major addition for iPhone clients. With the capacity to help various cell phones one after another, the Avalon's Wi-Fi hotspot is an element your family can benefit from. Satellite and HD radio additionally come standard. Eminent JBL sound system. The new Avalon's standard 8-speaker sound system sounds adequate for the normal music fan. On the off chance that you truly need to dial up the sound quality, step up to the Avalon's 14-speaker JBL Premium audio system. It includes a 1200-watt amplifier for particularly clear, solid at high volumes. A subwoofer mounted behind the back seat permits you to feel solid bass notes, since this incredible sound system costs under $700. Genuine music sweethearts shouldn't stop for a second to get it. Reasons not to buy a 2020 Toyota Avalon. The cons. Not offering all-wheel drive. Since the time it initially hit the market over 20 years back, the Toyota Avalon has constantly utilized a front-wheel drive stage. While most purchasers won't have any issues with the car's front-wheel drive framework, others will require the superior traction of an AWD system. This is particularly valid for people who are familiar with managing harsh winters. A decent option in contrast to the Avalon is the Chrysler 300. INTUNE infotainment system still needs improvement. Toyota's most recent INTUNE infotainment system is anything but not difficult to utilize. Whereas it's still a notch behind the opposition in certain aspects, Android Auto cell phone coordination isn't advertised. A moderate touchscreen additionally removes focuses from the INTUNE interface. Moreover, a few analyzers have condemned the navigation system's dated graphics. Not like a Lexus ES. Keep in mind that Toyota is Lexus' parent organization. While the 2020 Toyota Avalon is a great vehicle, it doesn't feel as extravagant as the new Lexus ES. When looking at the new Lexus ES, you will notice it's plusher inside. Selective updates accessible on the Lexus ES incorporate a 12.3-inch display, noise-reducing side windows, and a hands-free trunk release. No semi-autonomous driving features. Toyota doesn't offer the new 2020 Toyota Avalon with any semi-independent driving advancements. Indeed, even Nissan offers the new Altima with a Pro Pilot Assist system. By controlling steering and braking, it basically permits the Altima to drive itself under specific conditions. So guys, that's all from our side. Now it's up to you that whether to buy 2020 Toyota Avalon or not. To know more about these kinds of videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.